yesterday. If you have if you have been doing something, some mistakes, let us reduce those mistakes. If I have been rude yesterday, let us become polite today. If I have been telling lies till yesterday, let us let me tell truth from today onwards. Let me not only clean my place in the hostel or in the school, but also let me clean the places of my friends. Let me not litter the playground, let me not litter the school area, the corridor with chocolate wrappers or chewing gum wrappers. So, what I want, if we start making ourselves better day by day, it is not only that we are making ourselves better, but we are also making better the country. Therefore, children, I ask, I want each one of you to think not only about yourself but also about the country. Because country is there, that is why we are here. If the country is not there, we all will perish one day. It is high time across the world that many countries are suffering from civil war, many countries are suffering from many other invasions. There are wars, there is insecurity. People are running away from one place to another, one country to another. But if we stand strong, if we make our character strong, definitely we will be able to protect our country in a better way. Thank you. God bless you.
आज गेम का एग्जाम है नहीं